Hey there everyone, welcome to another episode of Engineering with Pritam. In this video, we will understand the concept of rib inside PTC Creo Parametric. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here you can see I have already opened my PTC Creo Parametric environment, and here you can see one of model that I have already opened so that I can show you how we can make a rib. Ribs are basically support structure that provide strength in weak areas. For example, in case of plastic part design, rib play a crucial role. Let's say here in this particular scenario, this hole will be used to install certain accessory, and that accessory will exhibit certain amount of force. To strengthen this feature, what we can do here is we can create a rib, and creating rib is pretty easy, guys. And let's start with profile rib. You can actually find this rib feature inside model tab in engineering group. Here you will see we have got these two different type of ribs. So we will start with profile rib. And actually let's start with another model where we have already created some sketches. And here I will also let you know why we do not use simply extrude instead of this rib tool. So from here, let me choose profile rib, and now we're going to select this profile, and then here you can see the software is intelligent enough in which direction we need to add material. And now here we can play with the width of rib, and the reason why we use this rib tool, not extrude, is that here you can see how the ends are getting merged with this rounded surface. In case of extrude, the situation would not be the same. And then it is very easy, guys, to add rib. Simply we need to choose rib command, and then we need to choose the type of rib that we want to add. And in this way, guys, we can easily add rib. So this was one kind of implementation where we already have created sketch, and then we simply selected profile rib, and then we have added rib. Now let's understand when we're going to create the sketch by ourselves. So here we can see this another model where we were thinking of adding a rib here. So let me actually go to sketch and create sketch for our rib. And in case of creating sketch for rib, we just need to keep it open just like this one. Now let me click on complete. And now again, let's click here on rib, profile rib, and then select this profile. Let's change the direction. And in this way, guys, again, we have added this rib. Now hit OK, and there we go, guys. We have successfully added this rib. So in this way, guys, we understood by creating sketch how we can create rib. In our next video, guys, we will understand trajectory rib. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to follow more such tutorial and to follow complete PTC Creo tutorial series. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.